A woman pioneer in space exploration. Valentina Tereshkova, first and youngest woman in space, only woman to have been on a solo space mission. Soviet cosmonaut, aeronautical engineer, and Russian State Duma member. At age 26, Tereshkova flew a solo mission on the Vostok 6 capsule on 16 June 1963. She spent 2 days, 22 hours and 50 minutes in space, orbiting the Earth 48 times, operating her spaceship with manual controls. She parachuted from the spaceship after re-entering the Earth's atmosphere, landing safely in Kazakhstan. She has received many awards and honors for her brave and outstanding achievements. Valentina Tereshkova famous quotes. One cannot deny the great role women have played in the world community. My flight was yet another impetus to continue this female contribution. On Earth, men and women are taking the same risks. Why shouldn't we be taking the same risks in space? If women can be railroad workers in Russia, why can't they fly in space? A bird cannot fly with one wing only. Human spaceflight cannot develop any further without the active participation of women. I hope that you found this video inspiring and that it will motivate you to push your boundaries to do things no one thought you could. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more inspirational videos.